Hello everyone, welcome to week 2 of Introduction to Python. And today we'll be going over custom printing, escape, formatting numbers, the F strings, and compound interest calculator will be an exercise that we're going to be doing. So these are just going to be a quick video over the week 2 of understanding Python. So without any further ado, let's begin. So custom printing. So what we did in week 1 is that we understood how the print function works, right? So if we just go over the print function one more time, the print function will be print, meaning we are always displaying a value to the user. So let's just say print, let's do strings in double quotes, week 2, I don't know, custom printing. All right, so let's run this. And as you can see, we got it right here, custom printing. So, print functions is just basically displaying results to the user. So there's different types of way to print. We can do another print version. Let's say print a deep comma. Oh, sorry, deep. And this. Uh-oh. So what this does, oh man, I can't even write my own name. Right, so when we print a deep Kazi with a comma, it's going to give us a space. And as we can see, there it is, right there, deep Kazi. Also, we can use an end character. So for instance, we could say print a deep comma end equal and then we can just write print run this and look, it's the same thing. So these are just different type of ways to use end character while printing a function, or like, to display something. So some types of escape characters that we should know is that if we do \n, that will give us a new line. If we do, let me just and then \t is obviously a tab. Backslash, sort of a single quote, would be a single quote, and so on. I think you can get an idea of what I'm trying to say. And then backslash double quote is going to be, an escape character for all of these. So these are just forms of different escape characters that are needed in programming to make it much simpler for you to understand and to write your efficient codes. Another way would be to output data would be using a plus sign. So we can use this plus sign. Plus sign. And this plus sign will add two strings variables. So let's do an example for that. So we can do print. Let's name a variable, right? So let's just do string is equal to welcome to plus and then we're just going to do print string. Let's see what the result is. And the result should be welcome to Python class. Perfect, right? Because we're adding two string variables by using the plus sign, and we got the result. Now, formatting numbers, we use the format function, will convert sort of to make it more neat and readable. So I'll give you an example. So let's do an example. Formatting numbers. Let's do an ugly number is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, so 0.679, right? And we would want to make it more readable. So what we'll do is, and if you just want only 2 decimals after the decimal, we will just do print, obviously, number equal to format ugly number, and then again we'll do, let's just say we want only, right, 2 decimals after the decimal, so 0.2 f, and that should give us 1, 2, 3, 4, 0.67. Let's run that. Oh, it rounded. Okay. Oh yeah, it rounds. All right, because it's trying to give us a nice, neat number. Obviously, this will round because we use the format function. So this is how we format numbers, and it's basically there to make a very readable. So let's do an exercise. So all right, before exercise, let me just go quickly over f strings. So there are cases where you want to replace parts of strings, and to do this, first you gotta use escape enter string with the letter F. This will basically mark a placeholder by using this character, and will also be put within braces with a variable in it. So let's do this. So food equal to cake, and we'll just do print F, I like food. Now, wait, what happened? Oh no, sorry, forgot to put braces. Haha. I like cake. So see, now if we just do so, that's how f string works. Let's quickly do an exercise. So compound interest calculator, We'll do enter the initial amount. This is just an exercise for you guys to work on it. Hopefully it makes sense. You just put your own initial amount, interest rate, number of years of investment, enter the compound years. You have to calculate it and then finally result the equation and display the result with the F strings and everything that we have learned within this video of week 2 of introduction to Python. Hopefully this video gives a sense of understanding of how custom formatting is very important in programming and especially in Python. If you understand how this works, you'll be able to write codes more efficiently and well-written codes that will make you understand what you're doing as well as your colleagues or anyone else that looks at your code. So hopefully you guys like this video, enjoy it, like, share, subscribe, and there are many more contents coming out your way. Thank you.